Bless you.
Why do humans say that? I'm Stick, not a doctor, but I explain weird human habits, like yelling bless you when someone sneezes, like it's a spell. Blame the plague. Back in the Black Death days, sneezing meant you might die. So people said, God bless you, hoping it would stop death in its tracks. Some thought your soul flew out with the sneeze, and bless you, that was their way of yanking it back before demons grabbed it. Today, no demons, just dust, cats, and allergies. But we're still blessing sneezers like it's holy work. So next time, remember, you're not just being nice, you're channeling medieval panic. Also, bless you. Now, bless this video with a like.